Today we are discussing about that set part 2. Now what is the set part 2? That is representation of sets. Clear? Now what is the representation? One is roster method, or it can be, the other name is tabular form. Clear? And the other method is set builder form. Clear? One is roster method, tabular form, and other is set builder form. Now, what the question is coming? Questions like represent all vowels in English alphabet. Now how I represent that here? Now this is the vowel, so that name of the set is V, and then the first bracket. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Now these are the elements of the vowels. Clear? Now this is the roster form. Now the same question, if they given over there here, represent all vowels in English letters, then how we represent that? The same thing is that how we written V is a set. Now where X is the element, now how is written that? X is the element where X is a vowel of English alphabet. And this is the English alphabet. Now this is the two representation, roster method and set builder form. The same question. Now the question number 2. Represent all letters in the word, let's say MATH, method, MATH method, matrix. Very importantly, look there. Now this is the set mathematics. Now name, the set name is, let's say A. Now what is the element of that A? Element of this A, number 1 is M, comma, A, comma, T, comma, H, comma, E, comma. Now see that this MA and this MA are the same. So whether we taken that MA again? No. Set means, roster form means represent the all element. Element in the set may be 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, but we only take that element. So that last we are not taking, this MAT will not taking. Then I, E, S. Now this is the question number 2. Now in the over here, represent, now see that, represent all natural number less than 7. How we take that? Set A, second bracket, when X is a element. Now how is, X is a element where X, this is epsilon, means belongs to, this is belongs to, X belongs to which one? Natural number, which belongs to natural number, and where X is less than 7. Clear? Now if we same thing right over here, that represent the same question, represent all natural number less than 7. Now how we read that? The natural number, that will not start with the 0. Then you have to be written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But what the condition is given? 7. So we have not written over the 7. Is that clear? Both the things. Okay. Now they have given the question number 3. Let's see. What they have given? Set A. Now see that they have given that -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now this is roster form. Now what the question have given? Question. Write it in set builder now you very carefully look that this is start with the -3 to +3, so that is it's a set of all integers. You check that the part 1 video that we have represented the integers, all integers by z. Then what will answer we have written? A is a set, these are the element, X is a element, okay, and then X belongs to Z, this is belongs to, written over here, this is tell us belongs to, and this name is epsilon, epsilon. This is the name of this sign. Sign is epsilon. X is belongs to Z, and what we write that? And condition what is that? -3 to 3 and equals to. Okay. Then how will write that? -3 is less than is equal to X, less than is equal to 3. Now this is the answer. Now this is the roster form, this is the set builder form. Okay. Then we write the question number 2. What will it do? Question number 2. Now there is a set A given that 3, 9, 3, 6, 9, 12, and this is the roster form. How we will write into the set builder? Now see that not from the 0, so this is all number belongs to the natural number, all belongs to the natural number. And what kind of X is there? X is a, so how we write that? X is a set, A is a set, well X is an element, and X is equal to 3n. Now if we put n is equal to 1, then we are getting the 3, 2, 6, 3, 9, 12. Check that. And what are the conditions we have to define? N belongs to natural number, and also n less than is equal to 4. So where the two conditions are given, this is the important for the exam. This is the roster form, this is the set builder form. Okay. This is the roster form, this is the set builder. Now the question is given over here, this one. Set builder form is given. Let's say set builder form is given. See what? Now a set A is there, and A written as X is a set, X belongs to N, and 50 less than is equal to S, less than is equal to 6. This is given. Now how we write to the roster form? A is a set, only element is equal to 50. So start with 50. So how we write that? 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. Here now the most important question is that A is a set where X belongs to R. R means all real number. So in the first part we have discussed that other than complex number, all the rational number, irrational number, positive integer, negative integers, whole number, natural number are all under R. Here and what they given it? X square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. What the question is given that? Write into roster here. So how we do that? Now x square minus 5x plus 6. This is a quadratic. This is a quadratic equation. Okay. Now we have to find that quadratic polynomial. What process we will do? What process we will do? We will do that by middle term factor. Now what do we have written? X square minus 6. 2 into 3. 2 plus 3, 5. Now how I written? X square 3 plus 2x plus 6 is equal to 0. Now x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6 is equal to 0. Now x minus 3 and hence minus 2 x minus 3 is equal to 0. Then x minus 2 x minus 3 is equal to 0. That is either x minus 2 is equal to 0, that is x is equal to 2, x minus 3 is equal to 0, x is equal to 3. So how we write that set? How we write that set? We have written the answer is, after doing this, the answer is A is a set that is 2, comma 3. This question is very very important for exam because you already know the middle term factors. Here. Now this is the type 1 question always given in the question paper. Change the roster form to set builder form and set builder form to roster form. Okay. Now we have taken care of that classification of sets. What are the classification? Number 1, infinite. Infinite set means a set plus infinity to minus infinity to plus infinity. All the elements. Okay. This is the infinite set. Then what is the x? X is a natural number. X is a rational number. But if only the number is given, they are the infinite set. So what is infinite set? The elements can't be counted. All stars in the galaxy. All stars in the galaxy. Number 2, sand in the river bank. We can't count that. Natural number. We can't count that. So this is the infinite set. Now second, finite. The element can be counted. A is the element. A, E, I, O, U. Now 5 elements are there. Five elements are there. So it is counted. So number is infinite set, number is finite set. Clear? Now, second is empty third one. So infinite set, finite set. We have done that finite set and infinite set. We have written that empty set, or it is called null set. There. Now, given a x is an element where x belongs to R, or x belongs to R, and x square plus 1 is equal to 0. Now they are given. Now x square plus 1, that is x square plus 1 is equal to 0. That is x square minus 1 is the form. Now, up to the class 10, this math will not come. Up to the class 10. This will not come up to class 10. Now what sum is they have given? A set of x is number which is greater than 7 and less than 5. Now, is there any number that greater than 7 and less than 5? Never is there. So this set is called empty set and it is represented as this. Answer is empty or null set. Infinite, finite, empty. We have done this infinite, finite, empty. Now this coming is singleton set. Singleton set. Only one element in the set. Very carefully. The only answer. A is a set where x, very carefully see that, x is an even prime number. This is the only singleton set, that is A. Very, very important. Maximum time the question paper they have given. So 2 is the only element in the set which is even prime number. Very important. Now, equal and equivalent set. Now one term is equal, another is called equivalent. Clear? What is equal? If all the elements are same. This is called equal set. And how we write that? We write set A is equal to set B, or A is equal to B. Clear? Now, all the elements are same, but for the equivalent, if in the number of elements is same. Equal means if all the elements are same. Equivalent means if the number of element is same. Now take one example. Now I have written over here the set is 1, 2, 3 and set B is 2, 1, 3. Okay. Now all the elements are same. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Okay. Then A is equal to B. That is, all the elements are same. Now if we written that, question number 2, A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to A, B, C. Now elements are not the same. This is not the equal. But number of element is the same. So answer A and B are equivalent set. A and B are equivalent set and represent A, that is, so this is the set A is a equal and this is equivalent. Clear? Now the today's last point. That is disjoint set. If they do not have any common element. Do not have any common element. Let's say A is a set 1, 3, 5 and B is a set 2, 4, 6. So they do not have any common element. So A and B are disjoint. It is represented as A minus B. And it is represented as A minus B. Now here is a condition. A minus B never be B minus A. Either A and B, if A and B are null set. If A and B are null set, then A minus B is equal to B minus A. Otherwise, the A minus A not is equal to B minus A. Go through the classification of set, set builder form, roster form. Just taken all these things. After that, in the part 3, we are going to the solving the set. Okay. Thank you.